So basically, if the camera falls, let's just blame it on Josh because he was supposed to be here and helping me. So dang it, Josh. All right, so really the only things you're gonna need. I got a bucket to put all the glass in. I got some glasses just in case because I'm gonna be smashing it a little bit. Gloves on so you don't cut yourself. And also might need a hammer. That's probably what I'm gonna smash it with, or this chisel. I'm gonna try the chisel first, just kind of smashing it, see what happens, and then I'll also use this to kind of break it all apart. So I guess I'll just gonna go at it maybe. Okay, I feel like this is not gonna work. We're just gonna go full send. Okay, maybe we're not gonna go full send because you don't want to break the backing, the plastic backing, so this can actually like adhere. Again, actually, you know what? It's a lot worse than it was. Okay, let's see what I can do with this chisel. I don't know. I really don't know, actually. This is so scary. I hate dealing with glass on cars and stuff. Okay, we're getting somewhere. You know what I also just realized? This is glass, rubber, wheels. Probably better do a really good cleaning after this. Oh! Okay, see the adhesive they're using? Or that was on here before. It's already coming off. That's good. That's what I have to do later. For the most part, I got the glass off. I'm just gonna go at this with some glass cleaner because, I mean, it's glass and well, okay, this isn't glass, it's plastic, but it's definitely glass. It makes sense, okay? So, I'm just gonna spray a little bit on the rag here. I know there's still like a lot of glue stuff, whatever, that they used before, but I think it's fine. So I'm just gonna. I mean, I could take the time to, you know, like scrape all that off, like so it's absolutely flawless, but like I'm no perfectionist, so it's okay. This'll do, don't worry. If you really want to get all that stuff off, then go for it, but I'm not. So you also could use rubbing alcohol in this part. Do whatever you want to do. It's fine. Just make sure you get it nice and wipe down here and dry it off a little bit. All right, so there's a lot of glass over here. Four adhesive little circles. So that's all right. We got that. I feel like I'm gonna drop this, honestly. I got the adhesive on the mirror. I wanted 4, but I think 3 will do. Stick out a little bit. These 2 little notches, I guess. Kind of like eyeballed it where the flatter surfaces are, so there's like one here, and then one here. So that's kind of what I did. So if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna put a 4th one on there. All right, whatever. That should be good. I got the little adhesive backing thing off, whatever you call it. It's just a matter. It's honestly so cold. I have to. I can see my breath. I had to open the garage to get more lighting because this lighting honestly is not good in here. And I didn't want to bring the portable one over because I really have nowhere to put it. It's literally such a close fit that like, okay, stay. I'm gonna go try something. What the frick? Oh my gosh, okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Does that pop off? I don't know what that does. I don't know what that does. I don't know what I just did. I honestly, oh, frick. Here's the backing of the mirror, and I was like trying to. They wouldn't put a random hole right there, so I started to pull on it, and it started like giving, but it wouldn't go because of this like screw thing. So I unscrewed that, and I started to take it apart. Now we're here. I was gonna say it might be easier for me to stick the it's like all this lubrication back here. Maybe it'll be easier to stick the mirror on this way. That way I can just kind of actually mess around with it here. Like that. It does fit. It fits. It fits. It freaking fits. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's all we had to do. Honestly, I feel like it's so tight to like, it's such a tight fit that I feel like it could stay there without the adhesive. Honestly, I'm not gonna risk that. Pressing down firmly. That is so dirty back there, guys. You see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so a little tip here. These little like black deal things, they're rubber and they have a ton of lubrication on them. And that was probably the most annoying thing I've ever dealt with on this car. That's probably a lie, but it was one of them. Okay, so I had to go a little further in like diagnosing this thing. So I took off the plastic, this plastic part off the back of the actual mirror. There's like 2 bottom clips you gotta pry up. There's a little space for the flathead that you can do. And so this little piece right here, I know you can't hardly see it, but this little circle piece comes out, and I already put it back in there. And so I was trying to fit this back on. And the reason I took this off is because I couldn't see where these little like joysticks thing go. Or like, I mean, I know where they go, but I couldn't like make sure they were in. So that's why I took this off. And then I was trying to fit it on and it wasn't going on because of that circle piece. Oh my gosh, I was not recording. Freaking A. Okay, well, I finally got the mirror in. Yeah, it's that dirty because of all the lubrication. It's on my fingers and stuff. I tried wiping it off, but I'm gonna clean it anyway. So, yeah, it's obviously in. So, when I put it back in on the back plate, so you know that white piece, I already put that in, screwed it in, right? And then I have the back plate that has the actual glass on it. And so there's 2 little hook clips up top that you need to get in first. You have to do this first, or else the bottom 2 snap-on ones will not go in. So the top 2 first, and then the bottom 2 second. And you're gonna have to press pretty dang hard for them to snap in. I mean, I was pressing probably like, I was pressing pretty hard to, yeah, like the glass was like flexing a little bit, so. Don't be scared, but just don't like overdo it, obviously. So okay, so I know I'm not like the best at like doing this whole installation thing. I really wanted to have 2 people, someone film me while I do it. It just makes it a lot easier. So I mean, I try to do it. I want to get this done because 1, it was like kind of like a little safety hazard, checking blind spots and whatnot, and 2, it just I kept staring at this like, I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this, I need to do this. So hopefully that was a good understanding of basically how to do that. Also, plus the sun is going down, so didn't have much light and I really wanted to get it done. So, but if you have any questions about anything about the mirror or really anything in general, I'll try to answer it the best I can. But yeah, that's how you install a side mirror glass thing. So yeah, I can finally see now. It's all dirty, but I can see. Like I said earlier, I thought they didn't, like, it wasn't the right cut or anything, like it wasn't fitting, but you really had to like push it in to like fit, like it, like it's like I didn't even need the adhesive stuff, but I still put it on there anyways. But yeah, you just really have to like push the glass into that back plate for it to really like fit snug, and that's kind of what that, I guess that's what the plan was, and it worked. So I guess it's the plan with anything. I don't know, the OEM mirror did not seem like that snug, but this one was good. Alright, so that is really about all I have. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.